Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cocktail sausages, a perfect appetizer for any gathering. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite cocktail sausages, 1 sheet of pre-made puff pastry, and a glaze. Make sure your puff pastry is thawed but still cold, which helps it stay flaky. A quick egg wash or a honey mustard mixture works wonderfully for the glaze. Now let's prepare our puff pastry. Carefully unroll the thawed sheet onto a surface dusted with a little flour. This prevents sticking. Next, using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, slice the pastry into strips. Each strip should be about 1 inch wide and 4 inches long. You'll want each piece to be just the right size to snugly wrap around 1 cocktail sausage. From 1 sheet, you should get around 24 to 36 strips. With our pastry strips ready, it's time for assembly. Take 1 cocktail sausage and place it at one end of a pastry strip. Gently but firmly roll the pastry around the sausage, making sure the end seam is tucked underneath. This helps keep them from unrolling during baking. Place each wrapped sausage seam side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch of space between each one. Finally, it's time to bake these delightful treats. Before baking, brush the tops of each wrapped sausage with your prepared glaze. This adds a lovely shine and extra flavor. Pop them into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Continue baking until the pastry is golden brown and wonderfully puffed up. Serve these warm, savory bites with a side of honey mustard or barbecue sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.